see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hello guys, welcome to the Makeover show. Today I'm at Opus KL. Let's go. In this episode, I will show you the whole makeover process, the analysis of this project, the owner challenge, and also our previous successful case study. Let's go.
Walking down the boulevard, she got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the
So as you can see, the wallpaper is up. Almost there. Today is day 2. Yesterday it was here, and then today we'll be finishing up. So the first step will be always the lighting installation, and then wallpaper installation, and then furniture delivery. And then we will place the furniture accordingly to the designer layout, and then the designer will come and do a final deco. And the final deco will make the units much more attractive, and you will get a very Instagrammable video.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about a feature.
So in the city, there's a few modes of transportation. Number 1, MRT, LRT, monorail, KTM. And those are the things that you can leverage on during the property investment. Buying a property adjacent to all these transits, right, do provide convenience, and that is the most important in our daily life right now. We prioritize convenience to a certain extent that we are willing to pay a higher rent just to have a higher convenience. For example, a walking distance to all these transit. Hence, a property located in a CBD area, if it's very close or in between transits or stations, right, the more the better. Hence, the rental return will actually get way healthier. Of course, the selling price can be higher too. Besides, property of such nature also will tend to attract a lot of Airbnb operators as well as short-term stay operators. This is because transits like this makes it very convenient for tourists to actually explore KLCity itself. You don't have to drive around, and also convenience, it's very important, especially in terms of property investment.
Yes, we are back in Opus KL again, and today you can see very big difference already. The wallpaper is up, curtain is up, cabinet is up, furniture is up, and everything, I would say 90% completion. This is the last step, which is the final deco. So a little bit about this development. This Opus KL actually located at Kampung Attap, right beside Petaling Street. I would say this is a CBD area, and this address is quite old and very matured. There's a lot of things around here. There's Stadium Merdeka over here. There's a Maharajalela monorail station over here. Across the street, then you have Petaling Street, which is the Chinatown of KL. You have all the good Chinese food over there. So basically, there's a lot of train option for you to go everywhere. It's basically cover MRT line, Star LRT line, Putra LRT line, and monorail. And a little bit profile about this particular unit. So the owner is basically living in Singapore, and because of that, he actually tried to communicate with several makeover company. Apparently, makeover guys are very responsive to him, and he decided to engage us to make over his unit. And also because of the geographically located problem, he also have difficulties to communicate with the management to rectify the defects in his unit. And this is where we come in, because we are always wanted to give a hassle-free service to all the investors. You just pass your key to us, and then we will settle everything to you. You will rent out your unit, and then you not even have to come back to KL.
It's just so easy when everybody talks so carefully, and you're my melatonin daydream. Pretend you don't, but you know.
So Box is here for final touch up, Ryan is here for final deco. This is the final stage before we want to hand over to our client. And all this stuff is very important because this will be the final outcome where the owner will see and also the tenant. By doing final deco, and again with a small little investment, you can create much more better interior photos to use on social media or renting platform to advertise. Who doesn't like nice picture, right? Because the owner is at Singapore, so there won't be any handover process to show him around lah. And we'll straight away advertise this unit on the Cozy Home, and also our rental team will start looking for tenants. I think that's all for this video. If you like content like this, do like it, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any property to make over and maybe we are the right match. Do subscribe to the channel as well if you like this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Jane.